Hello coders, in this video I am going to explain you some important attributes of NumPy array. Using these attributes we can get the information about ND array. First one is NDIM. NDIM attributes of NumPy array returns number of array dimensions. Here is 1D, so output is 1. Next attribute is item size. Item size returns length of one array element in bytes. Here is 4 because here one element of 4 bytes. Next attribute is size, which returns number of elements in the array. So here total 3 elements. So output is 3. Next one is shape. So in the first example output is 3 because shape returns tuple of array dimensions. Here is 1D, so output is 3. That will display the total number of elements present in the ND array. So output is in parenthesis 3, comma. Next example output is 2, 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So shape returns tuple of array dimensions, 2 rows and 3 columns. In the last example output is 3, 3 because shape returns tuple of array dimensions. Here 3 rows and 3 columns. Let me show you this all in Jupyter Notebook. So let me first import NumPy as NP. So NumPy is equal to, let me create one array, 1D array, 1, 2, 3. So if you write NumPy dot NDIM, output is 1 because this is 1D array. NumPy dot NP dot array, let I create the 2D array, 1, 2, 3, comma 4, 5, 6. So now NumPy dot NDIM, output is 2 because it is 2D array. Same, let me copy it and paste it over here. Right, let me copy it once again. Just I want to make 3D array. So it's a group of 2D arrays. So NumPy dot NDIM. Right. So because of 3D array, output is 3. Next one is item size. So again let me use same example, right, and NumPy dot item size. You can see here is 4, right? So what the item size returns? Length of one array element in bytes. So here one element of 4 bytes. So output is 4, right? Also you can take 1D array, right? But in all the case it will display the length of one array element in byte. So NumPy dot item size. So one element of 4 bytes. Now next attribute size. So again let me take this one, 1D array, right? NumPy dot size. So output is 3. So size attribute returns number of elements in the array. So here 3 elements. So output is 3. So again let me copy it and paste in this cell and let me add 2 elements. Then again NumPy dot size. So output is 5 because size returns number of elements in the array. Here is 5 elements. So output is 5. Now let again I use this one and NumPy dot shape. So this is 1D array. So output is 5. Total number of elements. So this is the way of representing 1D shape in NumPy. So let me show you this one and NumPy dot shape. So here 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Let me show you for the 3D as well, right? So this is a 2D array, right? Again let me copy this 2D array and paste it over here and one square bracket. So it will become group of 2D arrays, 3D arrays, right? So numpy dot shape. So here output is 2, 2 and 3, means 2 flows, right? So let me display this numpy. So here 2 flows, each with 2 rows and 3 columns. You can see flow 1 and flow 2, which contain 2 rows and 3 columns. So let me revise all the attributes once again. First is endim. This attribute of numpy array returns number of array dimensions. Item size returns length of one array element in bytes. Size returns number of elements in the array. Shape returns tuple of array dimensions. Thank you. Thank you for watching.